Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Tech and Reviews. In today's video, I want to show you all how to create a YouTube channel. I know it's too late, but still I wanted to make this video. So for all those people who are new to YouTube and who want to start a new channel, so for those people, I want to show you all how to create a new YouTube channel. So it's going to be a quick video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, or if you are coming to my channel for the first time, I would request you all to please do subscribe. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe, guys. So let's get started. So it's simple to create a YouTube channel. I don't want to take a lot of time in this. So yeah, first thing is you need to open youtube.com. That's the first thing you need to do. And here you need to click on your profile, and there will be something called as a switch account. And when you do that, there will be view all channels. You can click on view all channels, and here there's option to create a channel. So either you can come via that route, or you can directly type channel switcher in the URL. So when you type channel switcher, it will again bring up this particular page. So this is where you will see all the channels that you have created that you own. So now if I click on create a channel, it will ask for few details, the name and the handle. So just give a proper name and handle, and don't try to create a spam account, or don't create a spam YouTube channel, because YouTube will flag it immediately, and they might even not allow you to create a new channel for next 24 hours. And if you repeat this, so if you repeat the same thing after 24 hours, they may permanently ban you. They'll not allow you to create a channel from this particular YouTube account. So here you need to give a proper name. So you can give any name. So let me give, I'll create one channel and delete it maybe later. And here you can try to find a unique handle without any prefix or suffix which YouTube adds. So if you still don't get that, then try Tabshir Vlog. So if you don't get Tabshir Vlog, then you can try different names. So I'll just give Vlog Tabshir or something. So I'll be deleting this channel immediately. So this will just be for showing you all guys. So then click on create channel. So if they identify that's a genuine channel which I'm trying to create, then it will get created immediately. And here first thing is you need to go to customize channel. Either you can directly click from here, or you can go to YouTube Studio. If you come to YouTube Studio, they will welcome you with this pop-up. Click on continue, and there should be something called as customization over here. Just click on customization, create a banner image, create a picture, create a description, create a channel URL is I cannot do anything about that. Create a contact info, provide a proper email address. If there's any watermark you want to add for every video, then you can just upload the watermark over here. So all these things you can do directly by just using ChatGPT or Gemini. They will give a proper professional banners, pictures, description, etc. So you can make use of that. And yeah, so that's how you can create a YouTube channel. So wanted to make it really quick. I hope I made it clear on how to create a YouTube channel. So if you like the video, please do the like button, and I would request you all again to please do subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. That will help me a lot. That will help me grow in YouTube. So please do subscribe. If there are any queries, please post in the comment section. So that's all in the video. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.